See children, what given for us? OP is equal to 7 given. OPQ is a right angle triangle. Right angle at P. That means angle P is equal to 90 degrees given. OQ minus PQ given. Before it is taken, OQ minus PQ. So OQ minus PQ is equal to 1. Now, by Pythagoras theorem, OQ square is equal to OP square plus PQ square. OP 7 given, that you take here, 7 square, this you transfer this side, OQ square minus PQ square, A square minus B square, A plus B into A minus B is equal to 49. Here see, OQ minus PQ, OQ minus PQ how much? 1. So copy here. Therefore, OQ plus PQ is equal to, into 1 no need to write, 49. This also take here, this one 1 you take, this one 2 you take, right here, from 1 and 2. 1 what given? OQ minus PQ is equal to 1. What we got from this? OQ plus PQ is equal to 49. Add. These two cancel. OQ plus OQ. 2OQ is equal to 49 plus 1, 50. From this, OQ is equal to 25. OQ is equal to what? 25. Again from 1. From 1. OQ how much given? 25. Minus PQ is equal to 1. 1 transfer this side. 25 minus 1 is equal to PQ. 24 is equal to PQ. So PQ how much? 24. Before problem solved, two sides directly given, but here only one side given, other two sides combination given. So using Pythagoras theorem and applying like this, we have to find the remaining two sides. Every problem like all the three sides you have to calculate. This problem specialty what means, instead of giving two sides separately, combination given. That you have to understand. Now any of three sides we got. What they asked you to calculate? Sin Q and cos Q. Sin Q. See, Q here. Perpendicular, base, hypotenuse. Sin, perpendicular by hypotenuse. Perpendicular, 7, hypotenuse, 25. Cos Q, base by hypotenuse. Base, 24, hypotenuse, 25. Not done. Now we will discuss exercise problems. Same exercise 8.1. First problem, page number 181. Write in a triangle ABC, right angle at B. That means angle B is equal to 90 degrees. And AB is equal to 24. AB is equal to 24 centimeters given. BC is equal to 7 centimeters given. Determine, first question what they asked, sin A, comma, cos A. Second question, sin C comma cos C. Okay children, take right angle triangle. Right angle at B. Okay, take A here. See, sin A cos A asked. Take here A. Here C. Now AB is equal to 24. BC is equal to 7. AC square is equal to AB square plus BC square. AB square 24 square plus 7 square. How much 24 square? 576. 7 square 49. 570. 576, 585, 625. Now, AC is equal to root 625 is equal to 25. That you write here. Again mantra, Pandit bole prasad har har bolo. Sin A. First question what they asked? Sin A. Sin perpendicular by hypotenuse 7 by hypotenuse how much? 25. Cos A. Cos A means base by hypotenuse 24 by 25. Again they asked here about sin C cos C. What I am saying every time? Which angle they asked that you have to take here. Now same triangle take one more time here. Right angle B don't change. Here C take, here A take. Now AB 24, BC 7, AC 25. Children, same right angle triangle, right angle at B take. A and C change. Why have to change that like means they asked about C. That C take here. Easy for us. Now C taken after from AC 25 copy. AB 24. BC 7. Now start. Second question. Sin C. Perpendicular hypotenuse. Perpendicular. By hypotenuse 25. One more what they ask cos C. Cos C. Not from this. See. Sin C means what? Perpendicular by hypotenuse. Perpendicular how much? 24. Hypotenuse 25. Cos C. C means from here. A means from here. Now cos base by hypotenuse, base 7, hypotenuse 25. The same question, two types they asked. Sin A, cos A, sin C, cos C. When they asked about A, that A take here. Right angle at B, fixed. So A, B, C, B completed, A completed, C take here. What given that you copy. Third side by using Pythagorean theorem calculate. Now second question observe means they asked about sin C, cos C. That's why right angle don't change. That C value take here and other letter A take here. From diagram only copy. AC 25. See AC 25. BC 7. BC 7. AB 24. AB 24. Now sin C. From diagram this perpendicular by hypotenuse 24 by 25. Cos C base by perpendicular hypotenuse 7 by 25. The 2 points you have to observe children. Now down. Every time what they asked that you have to take here. Easy for us. That is not rule. For our convenience purpose, for understanding better way, that you take. After understanding where you want, there you take, no problem. Now see my second one. Find tan P minus cot P from figure. What figure given? Second problem. Given diagram also. PQR. PQR. 12, 13. Tan P minus cot R. Tan P minus cot R. Children, whatever they ask us to find also, first you have to fill the gap. About 3 sides, only 2 given, that you have to calculate. Okay, see. PR square is equal to PQ square plus QR square. Whatever they ask, don't see first. This gap you fill. PR square is equal to PQ square plus QR square. PR square 169. PQ square 12 square 144. QR square. What that? QR square. This should transfer. 169 minus 144 is equal to QR square. 25 is equal to QR square. So QR is equal to what? 5. That 5 take here. Okay. Now our mantra again. Pandit Bole Prasad Hara Hara Bolo. This mantra I have to apply only what they ask, that letter should be here. Now this diagram, okay? One more diagram take here. Right angle at Q, that you don't change. Tan P, P take here. PQR. Why did, see, tan, cot R, that time these are okay. P, that P must be here. Now, PR 13, QR 5, QP 12. We are not calculating separately anything. Okay, ma? R should be here. P should be here. Now, tan P minus cot R. P. See, P means this diagram. Tan, perpendicular by base. Perpendicular 5 by base 12. Minus cot R. R. Go to this diagram. Cot. See, cot means what? Like this you have to take. Sixth function. Base by perpendicular. R. Base 5. Perpendicular 12. Same. Sin, cos, tan. Like this. Up. Cosecant, secant, cot. Base by perpendicular. Which one? R. R means here. Base 5. Perpendicular 12. So 5 by 12 minus 5 by 12 is equal to 0. Children, understand? Two types. Tan P, cot R. This angle change means diagram you have to take 2 times. Easy way to understand. Okay. No doubt. See my next problem. Third one. What given for us? Sin A. Sin A is equal to 3 by 4. Calculate cos A and tan A. Cos A, tan A. Children, understand here, they given about A. They are asking about A only. That's why one diagram enough for us. A. Take here. Sin, perpendicular by hypotenuse. perpendicular 3, hypotenuse 4. Now BC take here. AC square is equal to AB square plus BC square. AC square 16, AB square don't know, BC square 9. Plus 9 transfer this side, 16 minus 9 is equal to AB square, 7 is equal to AB square. From that AB is equal to root 7, that root 7 take here. Now cos A, base by hypotenuse, root 7 by 4. Tan A, tan perpendicular by base, perpendicular 3, base root 7. Simple problem. Now do. Now, next problem what given? Fourth. Given that 15 cot A is equal to 8. 15 cot A is equal to 8. Find sin A and secant A. Sin A and secant A. So, only small technique what given, this thing given. This 15 transfer that side. Then what given for us? Cot A is equal to 8 by 15. Take diagram. A, that A take here. BC orbit. Now cot. Cot means what? Base by perpendicular. Base. Perpendicular 15. Like that, given diagram, see, only 15 cot A is equal to 8 means cot A is equal to 8 by 15. That is only problem. Now, as usual, AC square is equal to AB square plus BC square. AB square 64, BC square 15 square 225. So total what? 289. AC is equal to root of 289 is equal to 70. Take care. Cot take. Okay. What they ask you to calculate? Sin A and secant A. Sin A. Next one, secant A. Sin perpendicular by hypotenuse. Perpendicular. Hypotenuse 70. Secant. Secant what? This function from down onwards. Secant means what? Hypotenuse by base. Hypotenuse 17. Base 8. See, secant. Hypotenuse by base. Sin, cos, tan. Reverse. Cosecant, secant, cot. Now secant means what? Hypotenuse by base. Hypotenuse 17. Base 8. Now done, children. Fifth problem. given secant theta is equal to 13 by 12. What given? Secant theta is equal to 13 by 12. Calculate all other trigonometric ratios. So all other means how many you will get? Still 5 have to calculate. Secant given. See, theta given. Anyone think, no problem. Triangle name or which? P, Q, R. That theta take here. That theta. Secant. See. Secant theta is equal to 13 by 12 means. Secant means what? Hypotenuse by base given. Hypotenuse 13. Base 12. Secant means what? Hypotenuse by base 13 by 12. Calculate this one. PQ square plus QR square is equal to PR square. PQ square is equal to PR square minus QR square. PR square 13 square minus QR square 12 square. 13 square 169. 12 square 144 is equal to 25 means PQ square. Therefore PQ is equal to root 25 5. 2 given, third one calculated. See, secant hypotenuse by base. Later we calculated PQ. Now, sin theta, cos theta, tan theta, cosecant theta, secant theta, cot theta. Sin perpendicular by hypotenuse. See, perpendicular hypotenuse base perpendicular 5, hypotenuse 13. Cos base by hypotenuse 12 by 13. Tan perpendicular by base 5 by 12. Cosecant is reciprocal. Secant is reciprocal. That one already given. Just for formality purpose, all in order written. Cot 5 by 12 reciprocal. 12 by 5. Okay, children. Once again, same secant theta given. This theta take here. Triangle name not given. Any name you take it. You can take. So secant means what? Base by here. Base hypotenuse by base. Hypotenuse base. Calculate third one and this order. Okay, children. So practice properly, understand thoroughly. If then any doubts are there, please share to me. Okay. Thank you.